Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are solving the practice problem 4.3. Calculate the molecular mass of butane gas if 3.6 gram occupy 1.53 dm cube at 20 degrees centigrade and 1 atm pressure. Now, in this question, the data which is given to us is the mass of butane gas, which is 3.69 gram. Similarly, we are also given the volume. The volume of butane is 1.53 dm cube. Similarly, the temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. And as you know, we will be using the gas constant. That's why it's a good idea to convert the temperature into the Kelvin. So we will just add 273 to 20 degrees centigrade to convert this temperature into Kelvin. And the pressure is given to us, which is 1 atmosphere. And the gas constant value we already know is 0.082 atm dm cube per mole per Kelvin. Now, what we need to find? We are asked to find the molar mass of butane. So, we have the ideal gas equation. You are aware of that. And the ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. Now, here in this equation, the small n is basically used for number of moles. And we know if we want to find the number of moles, what we will do? We will divide the mass in gram by the molar mass. So n is equal to small m, which is representing the mass in gram, and capital M is representing the molar mass. So what we will do? We will put the value of n. Instead of n, we will put m by m, small m by capital M. Now, if we rearrange this equation for m, the ideal gas equation takes the form of m is equal to RT MPV. This m is the molar mass, which is capital, and this m is the small letter m is for the mass in gram. So we have all these parameters. The values have already been given to us in the question. What we will do now, we will put these values in the equation. After putting the values, you can see there are lots of units involved. So if you look closely, there are lots of units cancelling out with each other. For example, here, this k will be cancelled out with this k. Similarly, this atm, which is in the denominator, will be cancelled out with this atm. And what we will be left? We will be left with because this dm cube will also cancel out with this dm cube. After solving this equation, calculating, the answer comes out to be 58.01 gram per mole. And you can confirm your answer by simply calculating the molar mass of butane. I hope you have understood this question. If there are any question in your mind, please do ask them in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you once again.